First off, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Rosie. He not only helped me get this industrial boiler, but he helped me get it to my house. And if you're wondering, does it actually work? Of course it does. Or at least until I'm done with it. Now, when I opened it up and saw what was inside, I knew it could only be one thing, a Reaver engine compartment. And of course, the radiation containment is turned off. Sure, those normal humans call it suicide, but any Reaver worth his weight in body alterations and necklaces made of ears knows turning off the containment unit affords you an extra speed required to attack and capture ships. I am interested in expanding the Firefly universe, but to do this, you have to break down the show's aesthetics to basic elements so that the piece stays on theme. So what defines a Reaver ship? Well, there will be red stripes and patterns, blood splatter, aircraft switches and large indicator lights, and sharp edges everywhere. We don't want anyone thinking a Reaver ship is safe in any way.
Overlord, the Firefly vessel has been detected. Enter the coordinates and prepare for attack. Yes, Overlord. Disengage the Radiation Containment Unit now. Pursuit speed is showing an increase of 17%.
Excellent. These vermin will not get away from us again. We will use all resources this time. We will not fall for crazy flying maneuvers this time. Let the raiding parties know they can do whatever they will with those on board, but the pilot I want alive. His skills could be used to increase our bounty. Alas, if he proves to be too sneaky again, kill them all and destroy that ship. It is of no use to us. If it rabbits from a fight, I need ships that can ram and obliterate vessels, dismembering its panels the way we would any human of its superfluous flesh, bit by bit. It will be done